And tell me, but don't come with another story for all of you guys. This is the latest with Naira Marley. Naira Marley had a live chat with Police NG.
Move. It's very serious about the instructions and the restriction orders he has placed on SARS, on Endsars and other people. So when we say we will not allow them to carry out routine patrols, we are serious about it. We will say we will not allow them to check and search the handheld phones, smartphones, or computers, other smart devices of our citizens indiscriminately and unlawfully. We are serious about it. For patrols in mufti and without the appropriate tactical gears or appropriate police uniform, we are serious about it. When we say we will go after the police officer that is conducting himself or herself unlawfully and according to that. And let me even expand this point. When we talk about men who go out in the street dressed in and carry, we are as they do. Even this men to education, whether you are in their air, or you are in bbnaija or in lion food or in reazi, whenever you are, whether you are in a covenant unit or a covenant unit, you are not authorized to go a mufti with
Thank you.
property. That is banned and it is banned. And
Thank you.
we will to begin to policemen themselves. So when policemen are policed, we will also have policing them with our standard operating procedures, that they are in line with our code of
From SARS. Endsars, you saying Endsars, nobody's gonna listen. Let's just be reasonable. Let's ask for something small. We're not gonna Endsars. Are you armed mobile? Why do you need to Endsars? Are you armed mobile? You need to get them off the road. The special units, therefore, the special need to come out only when there's robbery. You need to get them off the road. If you Endsars, you end the SSC, you go end everything.
Yeah, the list of things to be key pointed from the live chat. 1. Police will get SARS off the roads and enforce this themselves. All police officers henceforth must wear police uniforms. 3. You can record the police, however, not in security conscious zones. 4. Police officers henceforth would only move in licensed police vehicles and not danfo and keke marwa. The police force respond to DMs, so if you feel wronged, call their numbers or DM the police via their social media accounts. 6. The police claims they are open to partnerships with youths to ensure effective policing. They said they are ready to recruit 10,000 youths. Some people see failure or cowardice, but I see progress and success. Thank you at Naira Marley. That's what Olani Pekonsobidi tweeted. Security zones are places with heightened security or need for heightened security, e.g. airports. So I guess we see improvements. Davido also tweeted, "Thank you at Naira Marley, love." This is all on this issue for now. Any other issue regarding this will be posted on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified once I post a new video. See you when I see ya.